Imagine a world where machines can learn, adapt, and even solve problems, just like a human. This is not science fiction. It's the world of artificial intelligence. At its core, artificial intelligence, or AI, is about creating computer systems that can perform tasks which typically require human intelligence. These tasks include recognizing speech, understanding images, making decisions, and even carrying on conversations. But how does AI actually work? The key lies in algorithms, step-by-step instructions that allow computers to process massive amounts of data, discover patterns, and learn from experience. Think of AI as a digital apprentice, constantly improving with every new challenge. Artificial intelligence is already woven into daily life. When a virtual assistant answers your questions, when streaming platforms suggest a new show, or when a smartphone unlocks with your face, that's AI at work. In healthcare, AI helps diagnose diseases faster and with greater accuracy. In transportation, autonomous vehicles use AI to navigate safely. From finance to education, its influence is everywhere. Yet, as AI grows smarter, questions arise about its impact. Will it create new opportunities or replace jobs? How can we ensure AI behaves ethically and respects privacy? The right balance will shape how AI benefits society. The future of artificial intelligence holds incredible promise. Imagine personalized medicine, climate change solutions, or entirely new forms of creativity. We stand at the edge of a revolution, guided by innovation and responsibility. With every advancement, AI challenges us to rethink what's possible, inviting us all to imagine, shape, and build a smarter future together.